Hello everybody, this is Santosh in front of you. I hope that all are fit and fine. So dear lovely friends, I also doing well, grace by Jagannath God. Okay, dear friends, I would like to say something about this location. This location, this location name is Baripada. Okay, Baripada. I am standing here. This moment, this moment is morning time. Okay, you can see dear friends. I am standing here this moment. You can see this is a good area. Okay, so dear lovely friends, any people, a lot of people ask me, dear Santos, my dear Santos brother, please